In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create rap or hip hop music inside of Riffusion. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Riffusion like you usually would. Then from here you need to log into your account. From here you need to go up to where you can see the sound, genre, heavy metal, whatever really up here. Then it should look something like this, where you can either choose prompt or compose. And for this example, I'm gonna choose prompt because I can be more detailed with the song this way. Then from here, we need to be instrumental and we need to create a prompt. And if you don't already have ideas for prompts, I'll leave a link to a bunch of different prompts that you can get down in the description below. So let's make some rap music. It needs to be some hype, feeling, turntable, drum machine, needs to have some bass guitar, needs to be 4/4 time, and let's just say 95 beats per minute. Then from here you need to click generate, and then Riffusion is gonna give you 2 examples that you can go further with. And when they're done, we can quickly listen to how it's gonna sound like. That wasn't very hip-hop-ish, I guess. So let's try the next one. And if you don't like any of these two, you can go up here to the prompt again, edit it however you fit, and click generate. And then Riffusion is gonna give you 2 new examples, or new songs. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!